So as we discussed, I'll see you in office on Monday and then we'll take it from there.
Okay.
Yeah, alright, see you. Bye. Our lives are so digital. Everything is connected via an app, be it shopping, be it work. But how connected to our cars are we? Well, at most we use the connection with our cars for charging, for Bluetooth, or be it via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. But if you are a Mercedes-Benz owner, there's a wealth of information to be accessed just by downloading one simple app, which we are going to show you right now. It can all be done in 3 easy steps. First, download the Mercedes Me 2020 app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then, make a username and enter your basic details. Finally, register yourself by entering your VIN number or scanning the QR code that appears on the MBUX interface of your vehicle, and you're set. As a Mercedes-Benz owner, it's all about the comfort and luxury experience. And that's exactly what Mercedes Me Connect aims to be. Your virtual assistant even when you're away from the car. Capable of holding up to 15 different profiles, every authorized driver in your home can keep an eye on the star remotely. Now, normally this would be the time I ask my chauffeur to keep the car ready for a journey. But with the Mercedes Me app, I don't need that anymore. I can get all the information on the car's vital parameters like amount of fuel it has, amount of range I have, tire pressure, and if I want to, I can even unlock the doors from sitting right here. In the instance when somebody has to borrow your car, or if you decide to hand over the keys to your chauffeur or a valet, the Mercedes Me app can allow you to set a radius around yourself and make a geofence. And if they want to go for a joyride or burn some rubber, you'll instantly get a notification on your app that it's time to crack the whip. The Mercedes Me experience doesn't have to stop when you enter the car. In fact, this is where the MBUX or the Mercedes-Benz user experience takes over, and it sort of works like a virtual assistant who's always got your back. With the Mercedes Me account, MBUX becomes even more powerful, allowing you to activate services like SOS. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
I feel like having a pizza.
Please select an entry.
So as you can see, it shows me the 3 closest pizza parlors, including Domino's.
The route is being calculated.
So as you saw, it not only serves fat on a plate, but it also promptly navigates you to your destination for your pizza. Once connected, the Mercedes Me app doesn't just show you your model of Mercedes, it shows you the car in the exact shade and spec too. It's all about the attention to detail. The user interface is clean and elegant, giving you a snapshot of all the car's entry points. But more crucially, it allows you to keep an eye on the car's vitals like tire pressure, fuel range, and fluid levels, and even make a service appointment if need be. Being able to set limits is one of the nicest features on the Mercedes Me app. With it, you can set a maximum speed limit, create a geofence to send you alerts if the car goes beyond the set radius, and it can even show you the last trip details. With constant over-the-air updates promising to bring new features to the Mercedes Me app, it's an indispensable tool for any owner. The lure of the connected car has stared us in the face for far too long. And the effectiveness of a good app really depends on how well it's designed and the functionality. Now, Mercedes Me is a finely executed app that looks elegant and works flawlessly. And the best thing is, it doesn't just work for future Mercedes owners or new owners, but even existing owners. Anyone owning a Mercedes from model year 2007 onwards can get an adapter from their dealers and use some of the Mercedes Me app features. So what are you waiting for? Grab that star in your garage.